I feel, in fact, that it's our responsibilities, both as a Jew, but also as a world citizen, I think, to use everything one can to overcome the theories, which are, in a way, are very close and also are used very much in the same ways as the Nazis used them to come to power. Pure terror, terrorizing everybody, getting youth who are fanatics, etc., ready to kill, etc., to lose all sense of proportion and all sense of morality. That sort of thing, the Nazis managed to do it. The jihadists, the fanatic Muslims, are managing to do it to a certain part of the population, and in the end, they're going to suffer from it, and they already do.